The lightning distance interactive calculator determines how far away lightning struck based on the time between flash and thunder. This calculator has 5 calculation modes: calculate distance from time delay, calculate time delay from distance, calculate sound speed from temperature, calculate temperature from sound speed, and calculate safety zone time threshold. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate distance from time delay. The input fields are time delay in seconds, where you enter the time between seeing lightning and hearing thunder, and air temperature in degrees Celsius, which affects sound speed. The default temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. Let's work through an example. If you observe lightning and count 8.5 seconds until you hear thunder, you'd enter 8.5 in the time delay field. With the default air temperature of 20 degrees, clicking Calculate gives you the distance to the lightning strike. The calculator also provides the sound speed at that temperature and converts the distance to miles for convenience. This helps engineers assess storm proximity and safety protocols for outdoor operations and equipment protection. Find the link in the description below.